Good morning, world. I just woke up to someone yelling, "Nice parking job done." And I parked off the shoulder of the road. There's a big gravel pullout. I got there in the dark, it looked fine. And it turns out a mountain bike trail like went right through the middle of the gravel pullout. I don't know. The guy yelled at me, so I woke up. Anyway, I'm going into Denver. The reason I'm going into Denver is because I need to go to the doctor's office. I need to get a referral so I can get my sinuses drilled out when I get back to Alaska because I can't take it anymore. I haven't been able to breathe out of my nose since pretty much the 6th grade. So like whenever I eat food, I have to like eat with my mouth open. It's just a hassle. So anyway, we're going into Denver. And here we are, downtown Denver, Colorado, in the chaos. Once again, I'm over here projecting in the Home Depot parking lot, and I realized that I forgot to record my project. I bought like a 3-foot long piece of steel tubing and some nuts and bolts, and I'm going to extend my rack like that, bolt right through it, and it should be good. Cheap rack extender. So I'm gonna mark my little bar here, drilling right there. Figure out the diameter of this.
Hey, excuse me.
Hey.
How's it going?
Pretty good. What's up?
Pretty good, thanks. Hey, I'm a real estate broker. I have a customer that did sort of a version of this. They bought a older Winnebago type thing and fixed it up. They traveled around the country.
Yeah, nice.
But what I've done with them, I'll offer to you. I don't know you from Adam, but if it ever comes up, people come by and say, "What is your name?"
Timmy.
Timmy, I'm Mike. Nice to meet you.
Good to meet you, man.
They would say, "Hey, Tim, what is this all about?" I think that's a good idea, and then you start telling the story. I'm sure you've told it 1,000 times. But if they ever say, "Well, I don't know what to do," then you can say, "Well, call this dude Yeager." I noticed your license plate. I used to have 888 Mike on my license plate, but I got a lot of weird calls. I thought hot chicks were going to start calling me, but it never worked out that way.
It never quite happened.
No. But anyway, I've been doing it 35 years, and if you ever learn of anybody that wants to do something like this, they need to sell their house. That's what these people did that I'm talking about. I sold them their house, or sold them their house to begin with, then they sold their house and got rid of everything, did something like this. They traveled around for a year, and then one of their fathers are dead or dying or something, so they had to quit doing that. But throughout the year, they called me up and said, "Hey, Yeager, there's a guy here in Philadelphia." All right, cool, Tim. Well, listen, be safe.
You probably get a lot of people wondering about this. Did you build it yourself?
Oh, yeah, sure do.
Cool. How much? I'm wondering how much it cost you to do.
I spent like maybe, I'd say like 14 or 15, like all outfitted, you know. It's all the solar and all the stuff inside is what costs you so much, you know.
15 grand, you mean?
Yep.
Yes.
I mean, way cheaper, you know, going out and buying a truck camper for sure.
I know.
You know.
15 grand's cheap these days.
Yeah, that's not too crazy.
You got some quality stuff in here.
Oh yeah, exactly. I mean, like the windows are like $1,200, you know. So it's like it's all that little stuff that just adds up, you know.
And I know the max there is about.
Yo's aren't cheap. And you got fridge and freezer and
very
oven,
nice, bud.
all the stuff. Yeah, thank you.
You can be proud of it. A lot of people build this kind of thing and it's shabby. This is becoming a part of it.
Oh yeah, the corner brackets.
Very cool.
Take it easy.
Yep.
That's funny. So I'm projecting in the Home Depot parking lot. Pretty much anywhere I stop. That's pretty normal. It's funny. It's fun, inspiring people, but that's the, I don't know. It might be the downfall of it. It's, sometimes it's just nice being able to chill. Anyway, what was I doing? Project. Anyway, you get the idea. I'll be back. All right, so what we've done here is put a hole through the bar. So that goes into this other main Yakima bar. And then I put a pin through and lock it down. When I don't want it extended, you rotate it around, slide it all the way up in there, put that pin back through, and you're good. Here's the final product, my dudes. You can see my 1-foot long extension bars inside of there. A little nut and bolt just holding it in place. So all I gotta do is unscrew that, flip it around, and it extends it out a foot. Pretty sweet hack. Well, got a surprise for y'all. You're not gonna believe what I'm about to pick up right now.
Your destination is on the left.
Ready for the surprise? Check it out. Ooh, yeah. Got ourselves Jackson Nirvana. This is like the latest and greatest creek boat that'll help you run like pretty much anything. Like a crazy amount of rocker and stuff, but anyway, we'll get her loaded up. I'll give you guys a review shortly here. There she is. I am so stoked to get this thing going, but let's get out of here. Rolling back into the Frisco area. Leaves are starting to change. It's happening. Absolutely beautiful evening out. We're gonna go take that new kayak up there down the Arkansas River, so I'm stoked. Check out this sunset on the way to Leadville. Just beautiful. I'll tell you one thing, there's just nothing like being on the road. Just absolutely nothing like it. It's my favorite thing in the world.